What's the meaning of boxing? Boxing. Boxing.
Boxing. Boxing. Boxing is a combat sport where two opponents, usually wearing gloves, throw punches at each other with the aim of landing as many hits as possible while avoiding their opponent's punches. The result of a boxing match can end in several ways, either by knockout, where one fighter is unable to continue due to being knocked down and unable to get up within a 10-second count, technical knockout, where the referee stops the fight due to one fighter being unable to defend themselves properly, or by decision, where a panel of judges score the fight based on effective punching, defense, and ring generalship to determine the winner.